happening.
We are here for a sneak preview of Malice Manor down here in Clarksville, Indiana. Now, you guys know we come here quite a bit, but they have got some new scenes that you've got to see. We've still got a few weeks before season, so it's just gonna get bigger and badder and scarier. And today we've got Spencer with us. He is a newbie here to Malice Manor, and I'm telling you what, you are not gonna wanna miss a single second of this walkthrough. Without further ado, let's go in here and get a sneak peek of Malice Manor.
So I just have to go. We're gonna go that way eventually. He's completely never been here.
Oh,
it's my first time.
Okay. So when the door opens, you can go ahead and go in. Have fun, y'all.
He just doesn't know that we're sacrificing him to the
Yep.
manor.
That's me. I'm the sacrifice.
Are you ready?
Yep. I think so. Oh.
I usually cry. It's up during one season.
Oh. We can go.
Oh.
Yep. It knows we're here.
Oh.
Oh, oh.
Oh, shit.
It got me and Spencer. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, hello. This couch will swallow you. Oh, I told you.
Oh my gosh. You do this erection so well. I do love it when they bring delicious morsels in for me, but anywho, and we like them roasted.
Roasted.
All right, I guess I'm going in.
You're going in.
Later.
Oh no.
See ya, gang. Oh.
What is happening? Oh, there's something in here.
I smell you from a mile away.
Oh.
Smell us?
Oh, what do I smell like? Oh.
I smell like peaches.
I like that. Oh.
I won't hurt you guys.
Oh, thank you.
I hurt you now. It will hurt you.
Oh.
It's so confusing.
Really good.
I like your beak. It's very pretty. Ooh.
She's got a nice pecker, don't she?
Oh my God.
I'll let you guys go first.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, well, we appreciate that.
Oh, yes, we do.
I feel like something else.
Oh.
There was something creepy at the end of the hallway.
Oh. Oh, jeez.
She got back! No, 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 no. Spencer, they're behind us.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
I don't know. I don't trust it.
I don't trust anything. Oh, jeez.
Oh, she's back there.
Oh. Oh. That's
She is
distressing.
stalking us.
I see you back there. Oh.
Huh? Who
Please
is
don't
it?
hurt me.
Oh, no, that's not us.
You have such lovely eyes.
Thank you.
Would you like to trade?
I think I'm good.
You look like you always wear your heart on your sleeve.
I might.
How'd you like to wear this one?
It ain't mine. Ow! She's got claws.
It's a bud room.
Just wind tunneled you.
Oh.
She just. What the heck? She's like spinning. Marco.
Polo.
There's a slider.
Oh, hi, how you doing?
I love my mom. What?
Oh.
Oh. Are you? Oh God! What the freak? There's tongue in there. Ew! I don't like it.
Oh, man. Oh.
She just slid across.
Oh, man. Hi.
What is she saying?
I like the small one. I like this.
Excuse me.
I do prefer the ones without limbs. Detachable is best.
Oh God, detachable.
Oh.
Can't leave anyone out.
Okay, I get you. Oh, I don't like this room. This one creeps me out. That way. That was so loud. It was real.
Just walk right under. It's all.
I know. Just walk right under it.
All right, here. Go on.
Oh, you could go in front of me.
All
Just.
right,
Oh God.
All right.
Spencer!
Yes!
Where'd you go?
I'm over here!
Oh my God. See, this guy's still alive.
It's a big old spider!
Now it's just dead bodies.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of lunch. That's what that is.
A bunch of what?
Lunch!
Lunch.
I'll just leave you to your meal. I'll just keep on going.
shoot.
I'll just get going. Don't worry about me. Oh, jeez.
That one looks a little demonic. You stay over there, demon.
Bodies everywhere!
They're back there.
Oh, and you look like you would have
I don't
tried
like
some,
that.
do you?
No.
Do you?
No.
Why not?
I don't want to die.
With me anyway. Thank you.
You're not going so fast.
Oh,
Come here, eat that right there.
that one right there.
Come on.
No.
It tastes so good.
I am not a cannibal. I'm vegan. God dang it.
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Nothing new to sell.
Oh,
Sell.
oh man.
She's gonna sell
Oh,
us.
jeez. Oh.
I ain't for sale.
Please.
Not happening.
Please. Just wants pieces.
No. I am not a snack. No.
Jeez. Oh. Good done. Oh.
That's sushi.
Oh.
That's sushi.
It's sushi. Wet wash.
I'm going dry, but you can go wet if you'd like.
Oh.
We're good wet. We're good wet.
Wet. I'm making a bubble beer. Ah. Oh, it doesn't taste good.
Don't inhale the bubbles.
Hello. Oh.
Look at this.
Oh. Hello.
Howdy, how we doing tonight? Doing
Great.
well.
Pretty good. How about yourself,
Hey,
friend?
we got a pair of lungs fit to blow the trumpets of rapture.
I'm staying right here.
Thank you.
I ain't doing
Hey,
it.
listen.
No.
So the drinks that I make down here, oh, you already know what's coming, don't you? Yeah, you know. The drinks that I make down here at the Manor, sweetheart, you drink all three, you will see me up under your bed later tonight. I guarantee to get you real wet or your soul back guarantee, but I do have a 100% success rate.
I'm sorry. I don't know what to do in this situation.
I don't either. They got him. That poor guy. He's always stuck there. Oh. We still got tons of bubbles on it. Oh God.
How's it going, guys?
I just feed myself laughing at him. That was awesome.
Got fun?
Oh yeah.
Good deal.
Oh yeah.